Hello, it's Joe Glines, and I just want to demonstrate a little script I wrote that allows me to search, uses the Clearbit API as Prospector to find people that work at companies. So basically, you got to have their company domain. Here in my example here, I have Apple. Let's say I'm going to look for engineers. Let's say I'm going to remove the word Joe here for now, and the max I'm going to bring back is 20. So I search, and it pulls back. Here's my count. Here is their. It should have the word engineer everywhere in their titles. Of course, now this tool I use doesn't allow for wildcards. So let's say I put in Joe. If I put J, it would only bring back people who have their first name or any part of their name is just J. So when I do a search here for Joe, it'll search for Joe. But look, unfortunately, if I do this, I would hope this would pull back everyone starts with the letter J, but it won't. It pulls back. Okay, that makes no sense to me. So I don't know what that pulled back there. But let's remove engineer. Let's see how many people we can find at Apple. The max will return to 20. Usually it doesn't even hit that. But and their tool allows you to pull back email addresses, but you get charged for that. So right now I want to demonstrate. Let's change this to Taco Bell. Let's see how many people we can find at Taco Bell. Oh, there's 13. Let's try IBM. Oh, domain, silly. IBM.com. Alright. They have other APIs where you can look up information about the domain or about the people and pull back. So what I'll do at some point is integrate the other ones to give me the domain so I can do a company lookup and find the domain. And actually, you know what? Let me see if I can fire that up real quickly, and I'll tie the two together. And then the second one would be is after I pull back the domain, I can pull up company information about them. But if I wanted to know more about Tiffany, I could simply double-click, and it would perform the API call and pull back information about Tiffany, or I could go get her email address. And let me see if I can pull up this other one real quick. So the other one I wrote is you look for companies. So let's say, well, I guess I'm into tacos today, so I'm going to search for taco. And it does an API call and pulls back logos, and then the full name, what they have for it, and then the domain it's tied to. So this is how I would get that domain. That just opened that over on another window. Let me get back to here. I'll search for... I don't know, cow. So I think it's handy that having the logo is nice because you might actually recognize it. And then, of course, the link. And so this is what I'll tie into here. And then I can get the the domain, and put the domain into my other script and look it up. And this also is free. I think I'll build that one where the search stays on the page. Boy, that is a very annoying image in the background. Wow. Wow. So let's say, what's a good one? General. So I think they don't tell you, but I think they give you 5, and what I think they're doing is they're giving you the largest, something to do with either the Google page rank or maybe the Alexa lookup on traffic volume. But the fact that this pulls it up, it's free, right? And this one does match anywhere in there. So if I put in hat, let's see, there should be. Oh, see, so hat pulls back with wildcards, and here hats. Of course, you got to be able to spell that part right. But that's it. Thanks.